Amazon Prime is, for want of a better way of thinking about it, and I think the best way to think about it, it's a paid loyalty program. That's really what Amazon Prime is. Right now in America, according to the last shareholder filings that Amazon put in, there are 88 million people that pay to shop on Amazon. 88 million people, Americans, pay $10 a month, $9.97, to shop on Amazon, which is just extraordinary when you think about it. Why the hell would they do that? Well, they get tons of benefits for doing that. The main benefit they get is free 2-day shipping. Free 2-day shipping. So Amazon Prime members get free 2-day shipping on anything that they buy. Amazon will send it to them for free, which is just awesome. Now that's all part and parcel, of course, of something called FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, and Amazon isn't sending it to them for free. You, as a seller, is sending it to free. All right, so Amazon doesn't pay that. You pay that through your FBA fees. All right, so it's awesome for Amazon because it encourages people to shop on Amazon.com. All things being equal, if you want to buy something on one platform you have to pay your shipping and the other platform you don't have to pay your shipping, eBay for instance versus, or Walmart for instance in the States versus Amazon, then it makes sense that you're just going to shop on Amazon. And that's why Amazon, or one of the reasons anyway, that Amazon dominates the e-commerce landscape. Here in Australia, Prime is launched, but not the full version of it. So right now, there is Prime Video, which I think is $2 a month. And that's all different things. It operates a lot like Netflix. There's Prime Music, and there is Prime, like a Stitch thing as well, which is like a social media platform, I believe. So that's Prime currently in Australia. But where is that? But that isn't going to be for very long. They will be launching the full version of Prime very, very soon. Here we go. So, and you should all get onto this list. Email with updates. There we go. I'm going to give it to you all. So get onto that email with updates. Oh, there you go. So that's Prime Video, and Twitch. And this is going to be Prime in Australia, free 2-day shippings. Now, how do you take advantage of that? Well, all you need to do is be registered and using FBA, and then you'll automatically get all of the great advantages of Prime when Prime launches in Australia. And there'll be a lot of really cool advantages, and that's really what we're all waiting for in Australia, because that signifies the moment when Amazon will start running advertising on TV, on the radio and things like that. That's that moment, okay, when that will happen. They always wait. I don't know, well, I do know why, but they always wait, and that's when they start. And so from there, that's when Amazon will really start to get traction in Australia. And a lot of people are very worried about that. For instance, eBay just announced that they are forbidding any people who sell on eBay to use FBA to fulfill their orders. So you cannot do that, which is a direct consequence of eBay's concern about Amazon in the Australian marketplace. So that's what that is. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon. that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.